Hey guys, I am Vaibhav and welcome to Auto and Explore. And in this video, we'll discuss how to sanitize your car. So, why it's important to clean or sanitize your car? You take care of yourself, you use sanitizers, you use hand wash and all, but you forget to clean our vehicle, which we take wherever we go, and there's a risk of getting infected by the virus and other germs. So it's very important to sanitize and clean your car, especially the interiors, because the exteriors you can wash it just by plenty of water, but you can't clean the interior using the water. So you have to use the antiseptic liquids like Dettol and all, which I have explained you in the video. The basic things which you need for sanitizing your car is antiseptic liquid, water bottle and a spray pump. So the first thing that you have to do, just take a water bottle, a normal water bottle with a clean water in it. Now take Dettol or Savlon or any other antiseptic liquid. So the third thing is you have to take a spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle, then just take a water bottle and a spray pump. The next thing is you have to mix antiseptic liquid in a water bottle. I want to recommend you something. Please increase the concentration of this antiseptic liquid in the dilute. So now place this pump in your water bottle. So your anti-germ gun is loaded and ready to shoot. Oh shit. Also need a clean cloth. So now we will see what are the important and basic thing that you have to clean firstly in your car. The first thing is the steering. Your steering, your handbrake and your gear lever are the main things which you touch all the time. If you know the fact that your smartphone has more germs than your toilet seat, the same fact can be applied here. While we touch the other things and we directly enter in the car and we don't wash your hand and we directly touch on the steering wheel. So there is a more than 80% of the germs that are settled here. So it's necessary to first clean your steering. And one thing, while cleaning your steering, don't even press this horn because lockdown चालू है, सब सोए हुए हैं, and I don't want to wake up all. So the next thing is cleaning your gear lever and your handbrake lever. You also need to clean your dashboard. have told you all the basic thing how to clean your car and how to keep your car germ free. So I don't want to make a video very big explaining all the detail about how to clean this, how to clean that. So it's a very basic thing, you can understand it. The next thing I want to tell, you have to also clean your buttons on the dashboard, also the indicator and wiper buttons, and also your door unlock button, power window button, your mirrors, your seats and everything. So I have just told you a basic thing. Further, you have to clean your car by yourself and make your dad and your mom happy. And I promise you, I will bring the best content for you on my YouTube channel. Stay home, stay safe. Hey guys, if the video was helpful for you, please hit a like button and please share this video to maximum people so they can get the idea how they can sanitize or keep their vehicle or car clean. And subscribe to watch such more interesting videos.